I'm Charlie, Senior Mortgage Broker at Mortgage Finance Brokers. Today will be our second instalment of the How to Finance series, and we'll be looking at HMOs. A HMO property is a property let to multiple unrelated tenants. They often share the same facilities such as the kitchens and the bathrooms. In the mortgage industry, it's considered a more specialist investment. It does come with some greater risk, but usually a higher reward. A HMO mortgage is very similar to a standard buy-to-let mortgage. The key difference is when it comes to the valuation. A more specialist report will be needed by a qualified surveyor. In addition, your solicitor will also need to carry out checks to ensure the correct licensing is in place. The majority of lenders will require more experience when it comes to HMO properties. This is because it's considered a more specialist investment. There's usually more work involved when it comes to managing the property, there's more wear and tear, and there's a higher tenant turnover. A lot of lenders will need 12 months experience when it comes to HMO buy-to-let mortgages. There are some lenders that could consider less, and even to first-time landlords. That's why it's really important to discuss it with a broker first. HMO mortgages are available up to 85% loan to value, but due to the higher level of borrowing, you can expect to pay a higher interest rate. When it comes to buy-to-let mortgages, the sweet spot is always 75%. That's where you're getting the most competitive rate versus the level of borrowing. You have to consider potential lender assessment fees. This will be for processing your application from start to finish. Valuation fees as well, and as I mentioned earlier, they can be a bit more expensive when it comes to HMO valuations. Legal fees as well, and this can all add up, so it's really important to budget correctly. When it comes to HMO licensing, this really depends on the size of the property and the local council. Typically, a HMO with 5 or more unrelated tenants will need a license. Smaller properties, however, can still need a license, and that's why it's important to speak to the local council. As a whole of market mortgage broker, we can find you the most suitable deal based on the loan details, property type and your experience. Please check out our website to look at our latest blog and news pieces. You can also give us a call on the below number to find out more.